Hello everyone. So right now I'm at Holyrood Palace in Scotland. I'll show you there is a beautiful cafe here around. Okay. So the idea behind making this video is to emphasize one thing, to all my sales people, whoever is into sales or whoever has a direct interaction with the clients, they should have a cohort analysis with them. What does it mean? So what is the common behavior of your buyer? So, the biggest challenge I face while I travel or I go to any place or any restaurant or any shop and I ask them, what is your best seller? And you will not believe 97% people always reply me the same thing. Everything is good here. You tell me what you want. I think that point of time, every management should have a weekly, monthly, or daily briefing on their cohort analysis that what is selling the best for them, backed up with the data or numbers. Let's say our property, so what is selling the most? What is people preferring the most on it? So that cohort analysis is very important for any business, and that should go deep down to the people who are having direct interaction with clients. So this is what I emphasize everybody to practice or learn more about it. When it comes to even a small coffee shop, they should know what is best selling for them. Is it a coffee, a cappuccino, or a latte, or americano, or whatever. So that shows that the person is not well knowledge of what he's doing, and he's just doing for the sake of a job. Especially for the colleagues and the friends I have out there who sell property, they should have really good knowledge about market. We have beautiful projects to sell in Dubai. Beautiful country, everything is up to the par. We should have cohort analysis with us. It will add really good value to your transaction, to your self personality. Thank you.